Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie, and I'm here to give you some advice on your freshman year. So, bad roommates are definitely a possibility. Unfortunately, that's what happened, and to me, and I experienced that my first year. I wanted to become best friends with my roommate very badly, so I dedicated the first 2 weeks of school trying to do everything with her, and I didn't really meet other people. And she was just a very negative person all the time, and that brought me down. So, my advice is to not force your relationship with your roommate if it's clearly not there. Allow yourself to meet people from all over campus. So, yeah, find people who you consider friends. Instead, find these people that are uplifting and positive in your life. You'll find that soon they will become your close friends. And a lot of my friends come from the Air Force ROTC program, but I also have some outside of that. So third, getting homesick is normal, even if you think it won't happen to you. I was definitely one that thought that. I came from a tiny town in Wisconsin, and so coming to the cities was a big change, but I promise it gets better after a couple weeks. You just need to become more comfortable with your surroundings. Don't let your struggles overwhelm you. So these two pictures are of a moment in ROTC that I had to lead a group of cadets, but obviously I was a bit flustered in the top picture. So similarly, in college, you'll have lots of classes and homework that will probably cause some stress, but find a way to overcome it. As you can see in the bottom picture, I was more confident, successfully leading, and all of my group was following my orders as well. And so sometimes you just gotta say, oh well, and move on from things that have happened. Don't let yourself get discouraged by your struggles. Allow yourself to explore for sure. This goes along with the last one, but set time aside to go explore and try new things because these experiences will open your eyes to many possibilities. And so these pictures are of a trip I took to Washington, D.C. with some ROTC friends, and it was one of the highlights of my year. Learn to work well with others. This is something that will never go away. It's in your school life, it's in your work life, and it's in your personal life. So overall, yeah, this is a skill that you want to have throughout your entire life. And find groups you enjoy. You can meet really great people this way. I really love Destino, which is a religious Hispanic group that I joined. It's brought me close to some people that have similar values as me, and I also am in ROTC as I've said before, which has pushed me to meet new people as well and become a better leader, more confident, and well-rounded person. And finally, don't forget family. These are the people that support you from back home. It could be friends, parents, siblings, previous mentors, anyone really. For me, it's my parents, and they have been there since the beginning, pushing me through, even though things are hard, and they've heard my struggles that I had here, and they just have been very encouraging with everything. So overall, your freshman year is what you make it. So let it be great.